Hello students, welcome back to English class. In previous classes we completed CW and HW notes and also we completed one slip test also. Today I am giving lesson 2 notes. All of you open English CWs. That is the 4 book now. Open English CW. Okay, write very neatly. Keep the heading mark. Capital letter L, slip line 2. Lesson 2, full stop. Capital letter B, E, B, E, A, U, T, I, F, U, L, B, E, A, U, T, I, F, U, L. Beautiful. B, E, A, U, T, I, F, U, L. Beautiful. Finger gap. Capital letter R, go, S, E, rose, beautiful rose, finger gap, A and D and A, capital letter A and D, A and D and finger gap, T, H, E, the finger gap, beautiful rose and the finger gap, capital letter C, A, C, T, U, S, cactus, C, A, C, T, U, S, cactus, beautiful rose and the cactus. Okay, this is the name of second lesson. All are you listened already this lesson. Okay, what is the name of our second lesson? Beautiful rose and the cactus. ఒక అందమైన రోజ్ గురించి అలాగే ఇంకా దేని గురించి అంట ద క్యాక్టస్ ట్రీ గురించి రెండింటి యొక్క సంభాషణ వాటి గురించి ఈ లెసన్ మొత్తం ఉంటున్నాను. ఓకేనా? కీప్ ద హెడ్డింగ్ హార్డ్ వర్డ్స్ ఇన్ నెక్స్ట్ లైన్. Capital letter H, A, right in middle line, H, A, R, D, H, R, the heart, W, O, R, D, S, words, W, O, R, D, S, words, hard words. Write one in the margin, capital letter A, P, R, E, C, I, A, T, I, N, G, A, P, P, R, E, C, appreciating. Second one now. Appreciating means ఎవరైనా సరే మనం మెచ్చుకుంటారు కదా, గుడ్ గర్ల్, గుడ్ బాయ్ అని. దట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ అప్రిషియేటింగ్, మెచ్చుకోవడం అన్నమాట. సెకండ్ వన్, 2 in the margin, capital letter B, E, B, H, A, H, A, V, I, V, I, O, U, R, O, U, R, B, H, A, V, I, O, U, R, behavior, B, H, A, V, I, O, U, R, behavior. Third one now. Write 3 in the margin. Write 3 in the margin. Capital letter A. Capital letter A. P, 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 A, P, P, E, A, E, A, R, A, N, R, A, N, C, E, C, E, A, P, P, E, A, R, A, N, C, E, appearance, A, P, P, E, A, R, A, N, C, E, appearance. Next one, Anna, fourth one. Write 4 in the margin. Capital letter R. Capital letter R. E, R, E, F, F, R, E, F, R, E, S, H, S, H, I, N, G, I, N, G, R, E, F, R, E, S, H, I, N, G, L, Y, L, Y, refreshingly, refreshingly, R, E, F, R, E, S, H, I, N, G, L, Y, refreshingly. Fifth one now. Capital letter I, capital letter I, N, S, U, L, D, I, N, S, U, L, D, I, N, G, I, N, G, insulting, I, N, S, U, L, T, I, N, G, insulting, I, N, S, U, L, T, I, N, G, insulting. These are the hard words now. Hard words after leave one line. Hard words after leave one line and keep editing meanings in next line. Keep editing meanings in next line in middle line. Capital letter M, capital letter M, E, A, E, A, N, I, N, I, N, G, N, G, S. Meanings M, E, A, N, I, N, G, S. Meanings M, E, A, N, I, N, G, S. Meanings. First one, 1 in the margin, 1 in the margin, capital letter B, capital letter B, L, O, L, O, M, I, M, I, N, G, N, G, B, L, O, M, ing, blooming, blooming, blooming. Blooming means TO2, finger gap, FLO, URI, SH, flourish, FLO, URI, SH, flourish, to flourish, to flourish. Blooming means to flourish. Blooming అంటే ఏంటన్నా వికసించడం. ఓకే, సెకండ్ వన్. Write 2 in the margin. Capital letter A, P, E, C, sorry. APP, RE, CI, ING, appreciating. APP, RE, CI, ING, appreciating. Appreciating means TO2, finger gap, PRA, ISE, price, PRAISE, price, to price. Appreciating means to price. Appreciating, to price. Third one. Write 3 in the margin. Capital letter U, T, utter. Utter means TO2, finger gap, SAY, finger gap, SOME, THING, something, SOME, something, to say something. Utter means to say something. Utter, to say something. Fourth one. 4 in the margin. Write 4 in the margin. Capital letter A, SH, AM, ED, ashamed, ASH, AM, ED, ashamed, ASH, AM, ED, ashamed. Ashamed means FEE, Ashamed means feeling shame. Okay, blooming means to flourish, appreciating, to prize, utter, to say something, and ashamed means feeling shame. Okay, ma'am. Once again, I will give oral answer. Lesson 2, beautiful rose and the cactus. Keep the ending hard words. appreciating, 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 appreciating. Second one, behavior, behavior, behavior. Third one, appearance, appearance. Fourth one, refreshingly, refreshingly. Fifth one, insulting, insulting. Next meaning sense. First one, blooming, blooming. Blooming means flourish, flourish, to flourish. Blooming means to flourish. Second one, appreciating, appreciating. Prize, to prize. Appreciating, to prize. Blooming, to flourish. Third one, utter, utter. something, to say something. Utter, to say something. Utter, to say something. Fourth one, ashamed, ashamed, ashamed. feeling, feeling. shame, feeling shame. Ashamed means feeling shame. Okay, ma? These are the hard words and these are the meanings. All of you note down very, very good. Thank you.